Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by opening keyboard settings so you can see the touch bar live and make precise changes. Once you open System Settings, choose Keyboard and click Customize Control Strip. This shows a visual editor at the bottom of the screen. Make sure the MacBook is awake and the touch bar is visible so you can drag items directly. This first step sets the stage. You're changing what appears, not how the hardware works, which keeps the process safe and reversible. Now you'll modify the control strip itself. Click and drag the icons you want onto the touch bar area, then release to place them. Drag unwanted items away to remove them. You can choose between the expanded control strip, which favors system controls, or app controls that change per app. Select the setting that fits your workflow. Once done, make sure to test in multiple apps so you see app-specific buttons populate. This confirms your layout behaves as expected under real use. Finish by clicking Done, and then immediately test the touch bar in a couple of apps to verify your choices. If the bar becomes unresponsive or shows incorrect icons, open Terminal and type Kill All Control Strip to force a quick restart. This often resolves visual or frozen state issues without a reboot. Finally, if things still aren't right, return to keyboard settings and choose Reset to Defaults. Then rebuild the control strip more slowly, so you can watch which change caused the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.